Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to take you through a typical week in my life as a student. It's all about the hustle, a bit of travel, and of course, making every moment count. Alright, Monday, the day that sets the tone for the weeks. The alarm goes off, and it's time to kickstart the hustle. First things first, a hearty breakfast to fuel my brain for the day. Then, it's off to classes, lectures, group discussions, and all that students' life goodness. But we are not stopping there. After classes, it's study time. I'll show you how I organized my study session and keep the productivity flowing. Coffee is involved. One thing I love about being a student is the opportunity to explore. Today, I've got a close field trip and we're hitting the road. Pack your bags, join me on this journey, and let's make the most out of every learning opportunity. Who said studying couldn't be an adventure? Midweek and we're still in the game. Wednesday is all about grinding through assignments and projects. I'll share my tips for time management, staying organized, and avoiding that midweek slump. A well-organized to-do list is my secret weapon. Here are some important words and phrases. Please try to remember them. Hustle, meaning to work hard with determination and enthusiasm, especially in a focused and persistent manner. In this, it refers to the energetic and dedicated approach to the student's daily activities. Kickstart, meaning to initiate or begin something with energy and enthusiasm. In this, kickstart the hustle implies starting the week with a high level of motivation and effort. Field trips, meaning an excursion or journey, usually for educational or recreational purposes, taken by a group of people. In this, the mention of a class field trip implies a day away from regular classes for a unique learning experience. Midweek slumps, meaning a decline in energy or motivation experienced during the middle of the week. In this, the term is used to acknowledge the challenges that may arise around Wednesday and the importance of overcoming them. Social connection, meaning the interaction and bond formed with others through social activities and relationships. In this, maintaining a social connection is highlighted as an essential element for a balanced student life. Let's get back to our story. By Thursday, we are almost there. It's time to strike the right balance. Today, I'll take you along as I catch up with friends, attend club meetings, and maybe even indulge in a bit of self-care. It's crucial to maintain that social connection and recharge for the challenges ahead. But wait, we're not showing down just yet. Friday is all about finishing the week strong. I'll show you how I wrap up assignments, prepare for upcoming exams, and set goals for the weekend. A bit of music helps keep the momentum going. And there you have it, from the hustle of Monday to the balanced social life on Thursday, and finally finishing strong on Friday. It's a roller coaster of experiences. I hope you found some inspiration and maybe even picked up a few tips for your journey, and let me know in the comments how your thoughts. Until next time, stay productive and keep hustling. Here are some important words and phrases. Please try to remember them. Midweek slump refers to the feeling of tiredness or reduced motivation that individuals often experience in the middle of the workweek. It can impact productivity and enthusiasm. Time management, meaning the process of planning and organizing one's activities to make the best use of available time. Effective time management helps in achieving goals and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Finish strong, meaning to complete a task, project, or week with dedicated and high performance, ensuring that final efforts are as strong as the initial ones. It emphasizes that importance of persistence and excellence. Roller coaster of experiences, meaning describes a series of varied and intense experiences, similar to the ups and downs of a roller coaster ride. In the context of this, it signifies the diverse challenges and moments encountered throughout the week. Let's practice speaking. I'm excited to take you through a typical week in my life. It's all about the hustle, a bit of travel, and of course, making every moment count. Alright, Monday, the day that sets the tone for the weeks. The alarm goes off, and it's time to kickstart the hustle. First things first, a hearty breakfast to fuel my brain for the day. Then, it's off to classes, lectures, group discussions, and all that students' life goodness. But we are not stopping there. After classes, it's study time. I'll show you how I organized my study session and keep the productivity flowing. Coffee is involved. Thanks for joining on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other content. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.